equipment such as the HGG machine is a really big part of that journey in helping us achieve operational excellence. I'm Kim Bassett, CEO and chairwoman of the board here at Bassett Mechanical. So we serve a variety of industries, everything from food and dairy processors to cold storage, foundries, industrial manufacturers, paper, printing, plastics, healthcare and biomedical and technology. It's very diverse in the offerings that we bring and the customers that we serve. We were experiencing significant growth, including in our shop with the demand for pipe fabrication and pressure vessels. And we knew that we had to find a technological application to increase the accuracy and the efficiency while staying true to the production costs, so that ultimately we ended up with operational excellence. And so we went out to explore what our options were, and HGG was our chosen direction. This is our second generation of the machine because we're such a believer of it and had such good experience with it that now it was time to refresh and invest again in the business and in the equipment to make sure that we can continue on that journey of taking care of our customers.
So when we looked at the 900RB, having the roller bed gave us that flexibility and that capacity to move the equipment easier outside and minimize the disruption in the shop so that everything inside the shop was ready for fabrication.
Now that everything's done outside, it's a lot easier to do numerous jobs throughout the day to accomplish it.
The structural fabrication was the last thing that we fabricated that didn't follow our traditional workflow of go from design, export the cut files to a CNC cutter, and then fabricate. And so a lot of that work was manual. So the RPC has been running for about 1.5 years. We wanted to really reduce the amount of labor that we were putting into those projects, and now we're able to load those projects up, go from a 3D design software that we can push those cut files directly out of the design and have them profiled in one cell. I would say between the structural profiler and the pipe profiler, it just reduces a lot of steps, especially on repeat work. From right now, we're able to just take that material, bring it in, cut the pieces, clean it up a little bit, and then stage it, stack it, and move it into fabrication. HGG is interested in learning about us and how they can serve our business needs. I will say the service technicians HGG has are top notch.
They now have a service system set up in Texas. Communication's been greatly improved. They can log on the machine.
And they usually offer numerous solutions to get us back up on our feet and going as soon as possible.
So overall in our shop, we average about 120 fabricators on our floor per day, and the profiler's been able to keep up running on one shift.
It created the efficiencies, the effectiveness, the accuracy, the throughput of parts so that we could meet the customer demand, and it was a decision that we've never looked back on and regretted. The only way to grow is to look for a different way to do things, and equipment such as the HGG machine is a really big part of that journey in helping us achieve operational excellence.